Welcome to Fluent Slowly, the podcast where you learn English slowly, calmly, and naturally. Before we begin, let me ask you something. Have you ever wished you could improve your English without stress, without memorizing grammar, and without feeling tired? What if learning English could feel like resting? What if listening quietly, peacefully was enough? Tonight, you don't need to repeat. You don't need to focus hard. You don't need to remember everything. Just listen. Your mind knows how to learn. Your brain continues working even when your body rests. So make yourself comfortable. Lie down. Close your eyes. Let your shoulders relax. Take a slow breath in and gently breathe out. Good. For the next 20 minutes, I will speak calm, simple English. You will hear familiar sentences, daily phrases, natural expressions. You don't need to understand every word. Just let the sound of English wash over you. Let's begin. Right now, you are safe. You are comfortable. You are calm. Listen to my voice. Let it guide you. Imagine a quiet evening. The day is over. The lights are soft. The world is slow. In English, we say, I am relaxing. I am lying in bed. I am listening to English. You don't need to repeat. Just listen. Your breathing is slow. Your thoughts are quiet. In English, I feel peaceful. I feel calm. I feel comfortable. Let go of the day. Tomorrow can wait. Right now, you are learning without effort. Now, let's listen to some simple English sentences. These are sentences people use every day. Listen gently. I wake up in the morning. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I eat breakfast. I drink water. I check my phone. Good. Notice the rhythm of English. Simple, clear, natural. More sentences. I go to work. I study English. I listen carefully. You don't need to remember them. Your brain is listening. I walk slowly. I feel relaxed. I enjoy learning. Let the words float like clouds. Now, listen to a short, calm story. A simple day. In simple English. I wake up early in the morning. The room is quiet. I open my eyes slowly. I stretch my arms. I take a deep breath. I get out of bed. I walk to the bathroom. I brush my teeth and wash my face. The water feels cool. I feel awake. I make a cup of tea. I sit near the window. The morning is peaceful. I check my phone for messages. Everything is calm. Later, I start my work. I focus quietly. In the evening, I relax again. I eat dinner slowly. At night, I lie in bed. I listen to English. I fall asleep peacefully. Good. You listened to a full story in English. You didn't study. You didn't translate. You just listened. That is enough. Now, let's listen to useful English phrases. Softly, slowly. How are you? I am fine. Thank you. What is your name? My name is Alex. Where are you from? I am from India. Good. Now, if you want, you can repeat after me. Listen. I understand. I don't understand. Can you help me? Please speak slowly. Please repeat that. Thank you very much. Now, I will repeat some sentences very slowly. Just listen. I am learning English. I am learning English slowly. I am learning English naturally. I feel confident. I feel relaxed. English feels easy. Good. Let those sentences settle deep in your mind. You don't need to stay awake now. If your eyes are closing, that is perfect. Your brain is still listening, still learning. Now, say these sentences softly with me. I am safe. I am calm. I am improving every day. Let my voice fade gently into the background. You are doing well. You are learning even as you rest. Thank you for spending this quiet time with Fluent Slowly. Sleep well, learn gently, and we will meet again very soon. Good night.